Just let me know. Just let me know. Oh, there's no one here. Right now.
That's your knee.
That's the knee. That's it.
Okay, you guys realize how it... Leslie, seriously, do you realize all the stupid shit you say? I just got like 5 fucking words that you say.
What?
Sorry, what?
Yeah, that's
what?
now.
Listen.
Yeah, you probably should. You don't have any
Nighty night, sleep tight.